Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Sharing is caring. Hey. Yes. Just sharing some of Jamaica's beauty. I'm in Jamaica, baby. Elshire Beach. Ooh, I should go to the water. Hey y'all. Hey Tina. How y'all doing? How you doing? I'm going to the water. So y'all can taste the water too. Okay. Ooh. How you turn this camera around? Ooh. I need some waves. Want cuz? Island sand. Push it. Push it. These waves is serious. Bullshit. Hey y'all. I just wanted to share this beautiful moment. I love all of y'all. Hey, pretty big deals. Hey, Janelle. I love you. Yes, I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying for all of us, actually. Cause I love you, love you, love you. I hope y'all are having an amazing fucking day. Okay? Catch the vibes. Let's hear it from my baby. Hey Danny, wherever you are, I love you. I hope somebody up there taking some screenshots. Oh. I got to hold this motherfucking phone.
What's up?
Hey. Let's hear it from my book with my goddamn cell phone. Anyway, I just wanted to share. And shit. Goddamn. My goddamn joint is gone. Shit. Boy. Oh shit. Woo! Oh shit! Oh shit! Nah, bitch. I got this phone, nigga. Ooh. Wait a minute. Oh shit. Okay. Stay still, Janice. Okay. Alright, I'm back. But I tell you one thing, this bitch ain't gonna lose this phone in the motherfucking ocean. I tell you that shit. No, don't shout it. No. No. We're gonna hold this motherfucker like this. Man down. No, bitches. No, bitches. No. No. Oh, shit. Bye, niggas. Bye. I'll see you later. Live it. Man down. Oh, shit. Love y'all. God damn it, the water's on the street. Yes, end this motherfucker. End the video.